friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. Finally, today I am back with a charging test comparison between the Realme X7 Pro versus the OnePlus 8T device. So one of the common things about these both phones is that they both have the same kind of 65 watt charging, as you can see, one from the Realme and one from the OnePlus, and they both have the same kind of battery capacity as well. So 4500 capacity and 4500 capacity. And let's see friends, in this video which phone will charge faster. And here I got the small chart ready as well. So I'll try to record the battery percentage for every 10 minutes. So before I used to do only for 15 minutes, but right now with the 65 watt fast charging, so I decrease the timing as well so that we'll get the exact data for every 10 minutes. So let's see which phone will be very much quicker for the first 10 minutes and next 20 minutes and 30 minutes, so we can estimate how they are going up. And right now I did switch off both of the mobile phones, so right now they both are completely dead to 0%, and this is the test which I'm doing when the both phones are completely zero. So here I got the temperature reading as well, so I'll try to take the temperature reading during this time, so we will get to know how the phones are getting heat up and which phone is trying to heat and which phone is not trying to heat. And in case if you want to know more detailed comparisons about both the phones, do leave the comment below what are the different testings you want me to do. So let me show you quickly the playlist available here. So try to check the playlist for more in-depth videos on each and every smartphone. So there are so many videos I'll be uploading on the Realme X7 Pro, because the phone has the Dimensity 1000 plus processor, so where you should know more details about the processor as well. So that's why I'm uploading so many videos before the phone gets released in India. So let's get started friends. Quickly let me try to check the temperature. And one more thing, I did not turn on my aircon here while I'm doing the test. This is a thing which I always do in every PUBG game test or any charging test. I always switch off completely the air conditioner, because I just want to test the real life scenario while charging these phones. So let me try to quickly show you the temperatures. 27 degrees, and it is a OnePlus 8T device. So 26.8 and 27. So overall both phones are kind of 27 degrees close to only. There's not much difference between both the mobile phones. So 27 degrees we started the test, and let's see friends which phone will be heat up. And one thing quickly, let me try to compare the chargers. And here is that one disadvantage with the OnePlus 8T is it is a Type-C to Type-C port, but the Realme charger is a USB port. So this is a USB is an advantage, because you can use this power charger to charge any of the smartphones or anywhere you can carry easily. But if you have this charger, every time you can only charge Type-C mobile phones or accessories only. So that is a one thing to quickly notice here. So let me try to quickly connect the chargers and start the stopwatch. And in the another test, I'll try to do the charging comparison with the Realme X2 Pro as well. So here is the Realme X2 Pro. I'll compare the Realme X2 Pro versus the Realme X7 Pro device as well. So stay tuned for that video. So let me try to open quickly the clock application, and here is the stopwatch ready. And let me try to connect the both chargers and start the stopwatch at same time. So right now you can clearly see here friends, I started the both phones charging from 1%, you can see here, and the stopwatch has been already started here, as you can clearly see. So again I'll be back exactly after 10 minutes of charging these both phones. So Realme X7 Pro versus the OnePlus 8T device, as you can observe clearly. And next let's see which phone will charge more for the first 10 minutes. So one thing is that the Realme charger and the Oppo charger, they're kind of close to each other, because I tested the OnePlus charger on the Realme and the Realme charger on the OnePlus, and both scores are kind of close to each other friends. So it should be kind of same and equal results. So let's see whether how much difference will it be actually there between both phones side by side when you compare. And this is the first time I'm doing both phones side by side comparison, so this will be very much useful for most of the users. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also do support me friends. And let me be back after 10 minutes. So right now you can see here friends, it's been close to 10 minutes, and exactly let me try to quickly show you the battery percentage. 44% and the 35% in the Realme X7 Pro for the first 10 minutes exactly. And let me try to quickly check the readings, temperature readings. 33, as you can clearly see here. 35. So again I'll be back after 10 more minutes. So let's see in the 20 minutes, so which phone will charge faster. So right now the OnePlus 8T in the race, and maybe this might decrease with the time as well. So let's see friends, so what will happen. So right now you can see, friends, it's been getting close to 20 minutes exactly, and let me try to quickly show you 66 and 75 percentage in the OnePlus 8T. And now let me quickly check the temperature readings as well. 36 degrees on the Realme X7 Pro device. So it is a Realme X7 Pro, 36. And OnePlus 8T, let's check how much is the temperature right now. It's the same kind of 36 degrees only, as you can see, 36. So both phones kind of same kind of temperature readings, 36 degrees. So this is a quick 20 minutes review of this both phones charging. So right now even the OnePlus 8T is in the lead with I think 9% more than the Realme X7 Pro device. So let's see what will happen for the next 30 minutes, whether the Realme X7 Pro can catch up with the OnePlus 8T speed or not. So right now you can see, your friends, it's been exactly 30 minutes of continuously charging both phones at 92% and 97%. As you can see here, the Realme X7 Pro 92 and 97. And now let me try to quickly check the temperature readings. 34.9, so 34 degrees. The temperature started to decrease gradually, and 33 as well. I can see somewhere around 34, but overall average was 33. So 34 and 33 degrees. As you can see, friends, the difference has been gradually decreasing and decreasing. So I think the difference is 5% different between both the smartphones. I think the OnePlus 8T will be in the lead in terms of the fast charging. So let's see. So what will be the final results? And right now it's 98%, and here it is 93%. So let's see, friends, 94. So let's see how much will be the difference between these both phones. How much time will be the difference? So right now, friends, exactly around 33 minutes and 5 seconds, the OnePlus 8T got fully charged to the 100%. So 33 minutes and 5 seconds. And it is a Realme X7 Pro still is at 96%. I think this should take a couple of minutes, maybe 2 minutes of time to charge the 100%. So right now the OnePlus 8T is a clear winner. As I said, I did multiple times testings on the OnePlus 8T using this charger. The time was close to 32 minutes and 33 minutes only. It was very accurate every time I do the test in the OnePlus 8T. So overall in this charging test, the OnePlus 8T is a winner, but I'll just wait for the Realme X7 Pro as well. So let's see how much more time that will take here, and let me try to quickly write down the timing here. So 33 minutes is a round figure. I taken the time as a consideration. So all of the OnePlus 8T is full, and let me try to quickly see the 97%. As you can see, friends, finally around 36 minutes the Realme X7 Pro got completely fully charged to 100%, and this is the overall quick charging test comparison between the Realme X7 Pro versus the OnePlus 8T device. So let me turn on the both phones right now, and let's see whether the 100% will be there in both the phones or not, because some of the phones, if you charge them when they're in switch off mode, by the time you turn on, the percentage will decrease 1%. And the OnePlus 8T mobile got just not turned on first. Let me try to quickly show you the battery percentage. So battery percentage, you can clearly see it's 100% right now on the top notification. Let me quickly show you the Realme X7 Pro. So Realme X7 Pro as well got the 100% brightness, 100% battery percentage on the top. So overall, this is a quick comparison between the charging test for the both mobile phones. And for more this kind of comparison, make sure to follow me regularly. And for this kind of wallpapers, also do check the links in description if you are interested to download these good looking wallpapers. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.